Hey everyone, so I have ordered these Osram LEDs from Amazon. It's a 25 watt LED bulbs. I was not happy with the throw of Polo's stock halogen bulbs. So what I did, I saw a few videos from YouTube and I found that Osram LEDs are one of the good option in order to change the halogen bulbs from means the halogen bulbs to LED. So what I did this afternoon, that I opened the headlights, I took out the stock bulb, I took out the stock bulb, which is this one, and then I replaced it with Osram LEDs. As you can see, I bought two pairs. This costed me around 3100, and for both of them I have paid around 6,100 or 200, I don't remember. Plus I have changed the LEDs, the bulbs, the parking bulbs to LEDs also. This is also from Osram's. Yeah, so this was also from Osram, and it costed me around 350 rupees. So I have done all the installation. As you can see that there is the LED bulb there. I've installed it. So now I'm going to fit it in my Polo, and let's see how's the throw. So this is the throw of the Osram LED bulbs. So as you can see that the lights are not on right now, and the street where I'm standing right now is quite dark. So I'll just switch on the lights and see and show you the throw of the bulb. So this is the throw, and it's on low beam right now, and it's pretty bright. It's better than the halogen bulbs, you can see. So in the camera it's not justifying, but in real time the throw is pretty good. And this is the high beam, as you can see. So I'm not switching off the lights, switching it on, you can see.